Oh, I get a bit nervous on dates, so I just thought I'd bring a few things along, make me feel a bit more comfortable. My name's Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. Oh, here's the picky bits. If you're lucky, I'll be picking your bits. I want to suck your blood. Yaki sober. I can't remember the last time I was. Only joking. No, too soon, sorry. Just try a bit. So, do you reckon there's been a spark between us? No? All right then. You didn't let me get a word in. All you did was talk about yourself, and you know what? You can pay the bill. You're just too clingy. I got my flipping things. Good day to you, sir. Wait. I said good day.